Hari Om. This is complete online yoga teacher training introductory program. In this first episode, we will see a small introduction and how to become a yoga teacher. The knowledge about yoga is like a big ocean. So I am going to give you an easy and effective tips to gain knowledge and to start your own business. Those who are really interested to teach and practice yogic lifestyle. Let me see how to become a yoga teacher. Maybe you have been practicing for a yoga while but still don't feel confident enough to teach or don't know where to start. When we start a new yoga classes, even for an experienced teacher, it is not always easy. We face our own challenges, finding the right space, building trust, managing small groups, and staying consistent. We have give our whole effort for the classes, even when only 2 students showed up. We try to share yoga sincerely without losing its purity. And yes, deep inside, every teacher also wishes to be financially free, means to live with independence and purpose through yoga. That's not wrong, it is beautiful. When your teaching supports your life, your energy expands and you can serve more people with joy. You are not alone. Many women feel the same. So never give up. Every great yoga journey starts in a small but grows with pure intention. So I am going to give you a wonderful solution, that is a yoga teacher training course. This addressing all your problems. A yoga teacher training course, TTC, is where you learn not just yoga, not just asanas or pranayama, but the science, philosophy, and confidence behind it. But first, if you are wondering who I am or why I am qualified to speak on this, I am Manju Deepika, Director of Suyam Shaala, a yoga institute based in Maharashtra. I completed my yoga practice from Bihar School of Yoga by Guru Satyananda Saraswati in 2011. And since then I have been teaching and running Suyam Shaala over 15 years. We have trained more than 20,000 plus students and over 50 plus certified trainers, some of whom work with us, others run their own classes. Yoga changed my life spiritually, mentally, health-wise and financially. I became more and more strong. I have personally trained hundreds of women who have seen the same transformation, from low confidence and uncertainty to emotional stability and financially independence. After conducting so many yoga teacher training batches, I realized most beginners come unprepared. They don't know the basic of what yoga truly means, the philosophy, breathing synchronization, the discipline. That's why we created this introductory course, so you can get a solid foundation before joining any yoga teacher training courses anywhere. In this series, we will go through all the foundational concepts, especially for beginners who starting new yoga batches. Here a simple and effective beginners level yoga syllabus designed for the first 4 to 6 weeks. It builds foundation, confidence and awareness for all ages. So this is the yoga beginner syllabus. Introduction and foundation, like what is yoga, meaning, purpose and types of yoga, basic yogic lifestyle like discipline, cleansing, regularity, sattvic diet, short talks about and yama niyama, the moral and personal disciplines, awareness of body, breath and mind. So we will give preparatory practices like Sukshma Vyama, Surya Namaskaram, the sun salutation, basic asanas, simple asanas postures and how to align it, pranayama, the simple breathing regulations, dhyana, meditation and the basic yogic knowledges and more. We will also have bonus episodes where we answer common doubts and sharing inspiring journey of women who have trained with us. This is the series of 10 episodes. I don't want you to just watch like any other YouTube video. Make sure to value this course, even this is free. If you care even 10% about your physical and mental health, just start now. Take this simple pledge for your well-being. Watch the videos fully with full attention. Ask your doubts without any hesitation and share your experience in the comments. Your journey can inspire someone today. Remember, small steps create powerful transformation. Yes, study seriously, take notes, and by the end of this course, be truly ready to pursue your yoga teacher training journey. If you are ready for this series, comment below. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get the episodes and as when we release it. Hari Om.